There are so many people who want to learn and understand the international diplomacy better.
I'm a BA student and my subject is English literature. And currently, I want to be a YouTube influencer.
I have one suggestion for you that would work for both the things, your YouTube channel and also your plans to work in a consulate.
I'm a BA student and my subject is English literature. And currently, I want to be a YouTube influencer.
Oh, that's interesting. What type of content that you want to share?
I was always fascinated about international politics, how international friendship goes, and how these things work. So I wanted to tell people how these things work.
That's a great idea, Shashwat. There are so many people who want to learn and understand the international diplomacy better.
Yes.
Also, the love-hate relationships between countries, things are good at a
Exactly.
time, things are bad after a while. So things keep changing at the international perspective.
Yes.
It's a good idea that you want to share and share your knowledge. But I have a slight reservation. I would just want to know that what if your channel or your content does not get the traction that you expect it to get? What if you put your hard work into it, you put your efforts, time, everything, but you're unable to monetize your content? What would you do in that scenario? Do you have a plan B?
Yes, I have a plan B. I love languages. That is why I went for English literature, and
Okay.
I am learning Russian and Portuguese side by side.
Mhm.
So for my plan B, I want to work for an embassy, and I think that languages will help me out going that way up.
That's a nice idea, and I sort of agree with the choice that you're making. I think you have flair uh, for I think diplomacy, and you would do great if you start working in a consulate. So what I feel is that I have one suggestion for you that would work for both the things, your YouTube channel and also your plans to work in a consulate. Here it is. I think you should pursue MA in International Affairs. I'll tell you why. That will be a good idea because if you have MA in International Affairs, that gives you credibility on your YouTube channel because you have that sort of exposure, knowledge, where people would want to listen to you because
Yes.
they would know that this guy knows the right thing.
Yes.
And it's not just something that you have read elsewhere, maybe change it a little bit and share it with the people.
Yes.
Once you read, once you study something thoroughly, that gives you an edge over any other channel that is sharing the similar content because you
Yes.
can see the bigger picture, right? So
Yes.
your postgraduate qualification in international affairs would give you that edge. And once you have that degree, and if you apply in a consulate or an embassy for any level job, I won't say, I think it'll be an entry level job to begin with because they
Yes.
would want to see what sort of performance you have. So that will help you there as well. So one degree serves both the purpose, giving better YouTube content to the audience
Yes.
and getting a job which you would actually love. So
Yes.
I think that will be the perfect solution for your problem.
So if I get a diploma in any of these languages instead of a master degree, if I'll add my master in foreign affairs with my diploma in Russian, is it going to help me more, like making me better than others?
Definitely it would. Since you have in-depth knowledge about that subject, plus you have that mastery over languages, it would definitely help you. So there is no doubt about it. And it's the perfect solution for both the things that you want to do. Not many people, get that one degree in particular which helps them do both the things.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for that.
If you're a knowledge seeker who knows that the correct advice can help you achieve your career ambitions, then please click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of the valuable content that I share on my YouTube channel, Lady Wisdom. Happy learning!